Yeah, we went to Safeway this morning to get our chicken, and their chicken selection wasn't very good this morning. So I went with salami and cheese and pepperoni and crackers. And pistachios for the football game snacks. Then I stopped by and picked up a couple of cheeseburgers, double jalapeno cheeseburgers, and a foot-long spicy Italian with lettuce, spinach, cucumber, tomato, Gardella, oil, vinegar, salt, pep, and Baja Chipotle dressing. So we'll see if we got enough to snack on and eat while trying to watch football today. Sick part is I really don't even know who's playing today. I really don't care. My team's not there. You guys have a good day.